Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows computer screen keeps flickering or flashing, especially after an update or when opening certain apps, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to identify the cause and fix your drivers, refresh rates, and system files to stabilize your display. Let's get started. First, we need to figure out if an app or your actual display driver is causing the flickering. Right-click on your Windows Start icon and select Task Manager. Watch the Task Manager window closely. If the Task Manager itself flickers, the issue is almost certainly your display driver. If the Task Manager does not flicker, but everything else on your desktop does, an incompatible app is causing the problem. In that case, open your Control Panel, click on Uninstall a Program, sort by the most recently installed, and remove any new software or antivirus programs that might be glitching. If the Task Manager did flicker, we need to fix your graphics card driver. Right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your specific graphics card and select Update Driver to let Windows search automatically. If updating doesn't help, right-click it again, select Properties, open the Driver tab, and click the Rollback Driver button if it is available. This will return your system to a stable previous version. Always restart your computer after doing this. Sometimes a mismatched refresh rate causes the screen to blink out of sync. Right-click on your empty desktop background and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Choose a Refresh Rate and try switching it between 60 Hz and 120 Hz, or whatever options are available for your specific monitor, to see if the flickering immediately stops. Certain apps like Google Chrome or Discord use a feature called hardware acceleration that can frequently cause display flashing. To disable this in Chrome, open the browser, click the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. Click on System on the left menu and simply turn off the switch that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Relaunch the browser and do the same in the settings of any other apps that support this option. If nothing else has worked, we need to scan Windows for corrupted core files. Click your Windows search box, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the black window, type exactly sfc /scan now and hit Enter. Wait for it to finish completely, which may take several minutes, and then restart your PC. Finally, right-click your Start button, go to Settings, and check your Windows Update tab to install any official patches Microsoft has released to fix known display bugs. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.